The AIRROBO T20 Plus Robot Vacuum utilizes advanced LiDAR navigation and the USLAM Air 0.0 algorithm to create precise maps and efficient cleaning paths, ensuring thorough coverage without missing spots. With its self-emptying station, this robot vacuum can operate hands-free for up to 60 days, collecting debris in its large 3.5-liter dust bag for uninterrupted cleaning. Featuring a versatile 3-in-1 design, the AIRROBO T20 Plus seamlessly switches between vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping, offering customizable cleaning with 4 suction levels and 3 water output settings for diverse floor types. Equipped with a floating main brush and HEPA filter, this vacuum effectively captures pet hair and debris, while its ultra-thin design allows it to clean under furniture and in tight spaces quietly, operating under 65 decibels. The AIRROBO T20 Plus boasts a substantial battery life of up to 180 minutes, making it ideal for larger homes, and it automatically returns to its charging station when the battery is low. This robotic vacuum is compatible with Wi-Fi, app, Alexa, and remote control, providing a convenient and modern user experience for effortless home cleaning.